Hi there, if you are ready to learn something new and super useful, you are in the right place.
Open those shapefiles, click on the map and the ribbon, and now click on Add Data, or you can also press Alt plus D from your keyboard. This is the project folder. Click on this folder, Geological Map, and we have map line work shapefiles. You can also add these shapefile one by one, or you can press Shift key on the keyboard and select the last and the first and then OK. So you will add at once all of your shape files. You can also change the order of the shape files. You can drag these shape file and you can change the order of these shape file from here like this. So let me hollow this study area, double click on it. It will You will access the symbology from here and then select black outline. You can also make a right click on this icon and you can also select the color from here. You can fill the color from here as well, or you can select no color from here as well, or right click on the shapefile and go to symbology. You can also access the symbology from here as well, and then here, and you can select any color or symbol from here. So actually I don't have the formation shape file, so let me open the formation shape file. Open the formation shape file, add data. Now open this folder, and this is the formation shape file. So you have the formation contact shape file as well as the remaining other structures in study area.